Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we are going to make so that we can actually shoot through some objects. So we will add some tags to, for example, to these blanks, and later on the firetrace function we will check if the actor or component that we hit has the tag, and if it has it, then it will spawn a bullet hole and still shoot through it. So yeah, I'm sorry that I haven't been able to create that many videos lately. I haven't had that much time, but I will try to create more in the future. And if you have been enjoying the series, would you please like the video and maybe add some or leave some comment down below. It would help me a lot. But yeah, let's get to work. So, first we actually want to go to the BB first person character. So let's go to the blueprints, BB first person character. Let's open it. Okay. And we want to go to the firetrace function. Okay, you can find it on the functions list. And here, what we want to do, first thing that we want to do is after the line trace, here on the break hit results, we actually want to, let's first, let's just move, sorry, I will have to think. Let's move everything before the line trace, including the line trace, more to the left, like this. Let's leave some space here. And now let's also move these two. So the break hit results and weapon match get socket location. Let's move all these here somewhere. And now what we want to do is let's actually move these a little bit further right, and also that one. So yeah, and I will move here. Sorry, I'm just cleaning this a little bit. And actually let's move this further up. Let's add a reroute pin to here, so we can actually get from this and connect to here, there. So it will look a little bit cleaner, like that. So what we want to do here really is the next. We want to first get the impact point. We want to promote it to a variable. Let's just call it impact point. After that, we want to get the trace end, and we want to promote it also to a variable. We can call it just trace end, like that. And now I actually want to add some reroutes to this return value also, so it looks a little bit better, like here. So now we have promoted the impact point and trace end to variables. After that, what we want to do, we want to go to the shoot, hit, get material or actor function. Let's open it. And so what we want to do here is, here on the beginning, we want to move everything before the cast to PP enemy main to the left. Let's leave some space here. Let's move it actually a little bit more. Okay, like that. Then we want to actually add a branch here. So P and left click. Let's get from here. And what we want to do is we want to get from the hit component, and we want to check if has tag component has tag, like this. Let's connect this return value to the condition. And now we want to select the tag. So we are checking if we can shoot through. So I don't want to write shoot through every time on the every actor. So let's make it like ST. So like that, ST, shoot through. Okay. And if it at the component doesn't have the tag, then we want to continue. Okay, because the enemies usually won't have that. Okay. So if the hit component has the tag, then we actually want to create a new function. So let's scroll to the firetrace and let's duplicate it. And let's actually call it like custom firetrace. And let's move it under the original firetrace. So to here. Okay, custom firetrace. Now let's go back to the shoot hit get material or actor, and let's call that custom firetrace from the true. Okay, and now let's connect this to this next branch that we have here. So this is on the cast BB enemy main, and cast failed. So if we are not hitting the enemy main, then it will spawn the impact emitter and the bullet hole and stuff like that. And we can also use the same thing with if we have hit some actor that has to shoot through tag like that. So it will be like this. Now let's go to the custom firetrace. And what we want to do here on the custom firetrace is first we actually want to delete this branch and this from here. And we want to click this thing here, this node, and we want to add an input, and the variable type should be actor. Let's search for the actor. So here, actor, object reference, like that. Let's call this actor to ignore, like that. Okay, now we will have to go to our variables. Here we have this actors to ignore list. Let's duplicate it. Let's call it actors to ignore shoot true. Let's move it under the actors to ignore, like that. Okay, and what we want to do here now is we want to get the actors to ignore shoot true, and we want to add to it array add like this, and we want to add this input to there. Okay, and also we want to delete all this code from here, so we don't have anything else before the line trace than this that we just created. So let's delete all these. Okay, and let's move this a lot closer, like this. Let's connect this to the there. And now from the actors to ignore shoot true, let's connect it to the actors to ignore, like that. And we can actually make this draw debug type for duration, so we can actually see what's happening. Now what we want to do, we want to get the impact point that we promoted to our created like 5 minutes ago. We want to get it and connect it to the start, and also the trace end, we want to connect it to the end, like that. So, okay, and after that what we want to do is we want to get the actors to ignore shoot true again, and we want to get from it and clear. Okay, we want to clear it after we have spawned the line trace, like that. Okay, now let's compile and save. Oh, we actually have to go back to the shoot hit get material or actor. We have to connect this actor to ignore. So we want to go to here, to the hit results, and to the hit actor, which is here. We have connected it to the cast to BB enemy main. We want to add a reroute to here. Let's move it to here, and now let's get from it. to here. So, yeah, let's compile and save. So, the next thing we want to do, we want to go back to the first person map and to the interactables folder and to the pp zombie window. Now let's go to the viewport and let's select all these blanks. So let's select all these. So control and left click on all of these. Now search for a tag and you want to add element and let's add the st or whatever you have set here. So st and st. Okay, and now every one of these actors should have the tags. Let's check. So this has this, yeah, everything has that tag. So let's compile and save all. Let's actually try and see what happens. So if I shoot through this, nothing will happen because I forgot one thing. So let's go back to the BB zombie window and let's select all these actors again. Let's delete the tag from the search. Let's scroll down. Let's set the shoot collision response to block like that. Let's compile and save and try again. Okay, now it should work. But the let's see. It's not working. Okay, sorry, I found the problem. So let's go back to the firetrace. I actually have promoted the impact normal. I want to promote the impact point. So control and left click, let's move it to here. And let's change this name, impact point, like that. Let's compile and let's save all. Let's go back to the first person map and let's play. Now it should work. I will actually take some other weapon so I can see better. Oh. And as you can see, the traces are going through. So if I shoot from here, you can see I can kill the zombie. And let's try with this one. Yes, everything is working as it should work. It is looking pretty nice, I think. So yeah, and obviously you can add that tag to any actor that you want. Let's actually try it with the upgrade machine, for example. It's not the best actor to add the tag, but let's just for testing purposes. So let's search for tag and let's add the ST. Let's play. Now if I shoot like this, it should go through and it will not go through. What the? Oh, sorry. You also might have to change the collision presets. So, for example, this one, the collision preset, actually it is set like that. So let's see. Tag. Okay, I think you have to add it to the component. You cannot just add it to the default scene route or to the actor itself. So ST, let's see. Okay, that's weird actually. I don't know what's that about. Let's see if I add it to this machine base. ST. Let's see what happens. If I shoot through here. It will go through. I don't know. Maybe this component is too like wide or something like that. But it should work. Yeah, it goes through there. So yeah, I don't know what was wrong with this one, but yeah, it should work. I will quickly delete text from here, default scene root, self. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one.